July ni somni pathum sang ni somni parukania United States 10 zawnin ni som pangni Iran chol mi lawin an beito ani Iran lampang hianin anin ro sak na sat ang hule phuba na takin kan la don anti ang hu hianin engwak nge anti hi kala selawa hei voina kan ron riek chianga ti chuan hemi kan riek tan ma hi nei kan en photang
I hun nei na zirlo wangin ini samhan lo ni mai thei I har sana chingfel turin itan RK construction an ome I boipui ngai mi lovin soil test le building permit an boipui sak thei cha civil engineer architect monitoring na noya in hun lai atanga building sakzo thlengin an tho sak thei che ani tin I inchung chau chei that edu point red niam takin an koi sak thei bok che chu mai ba ka ceiling specialist an nia biak in le ko han building a red niam te in an siam sak thei boke I building hui to tak kha thia kher ngai lovin athom that na column strengthening retrofitting anti thei boke RK construction 8837 333
oh RK construction te in mama hun thewa in lo dor ve theu don ania number te hilo safe la oh le reactor ni la
in the Middle East the US launching a 12th night of crushing strikes on
Iran after
Trump's latest threat
vowing tu na mi khain lo muem ngai ina am lo hi ngoro o JCB ni hi amalam panga asu adura te khania am pho chapta part ming po hei anung lampang ami khani tamo a chiang khop mai JCB ni ti hena kala
strikes on Iran after Trump's latest threat vowing
puak dar chiang nge me aไปคัดเอ็นle lok tang
the US launching a 12th night of crushing strikes on Iran after Trump's latest threat vowing to destroy a bridge or power plant if Tehran strikes any ships in the Strait of Hormuz
Donald Trump hian in Iran hi warning na takina pe a US te chon in Iran warning an pe a ti hian in an be mol mola Trump na Iran warning a pek chu Iran hian Strait of Hormuz along kal tlang hi in beile ani chuan in power siam chhuan na te in rama lei poimo tak tak te hi kan ron bom chezel don ti in Trump hian in na takin Iran hi warning a pe ani so itong hanin Iran po hian in warning an pelet ve thawa ma se warning an pek nat ang hu hian in an chen na lem lo ti hi tuna kan hmu thei chu ani Iran hi mo US ton in warning an pe an bom miel mai atiang hian in boruak a so sang chho zela tin tuna hian in Saudi Arabia le Houthis te po an in do mek ni na lang ani heju video le kan ri kang ma se tuna hen kan concentrate photang ta hian
and Secretary of State Marco Rubio says it's only going to get worse if Iran keeps going back on their word
Iran hi an thu tiama le an thu an ding het lawani chuanin tuna US ina kan be na hi arab thak tel don te US Secretary of State Marco Rubio chuanin a soi chuak ani tinga mi poimo tak takina langsar tak khover hriata tinga warning le tongkam na tiu dewa an soinga mani chuanin keini hriat lo heta a phena hanin hengte chu an lo rel fel vek to ti kha a chiang MMA ne
Iran is begging us, okay, both directly and indirectly. Let's do a deal. Let's talk. Iran is begging every day. The problem with Iran is every time they make a deal, the people that are in charge there, they either break it or they want to change it.
Iran te hian in deal min siam pui ro u deal siam ang u antia angin in min nge na ni. Amaro chu deal kan siam pui don le deal siam tura kan heng buat sai hian. Iran hi an thu ti mai nan ding het ve ngai lo ni. An bo chereng mai ni heti anga deal kan siam pui te heti in Marco Rubio hian in ron soya
so it looks like they're not ready to make a deal so they're going to continue to pay a price and every night the price gets higher and higher and higher and that's what's happening now
Amaro chu Iran te hi deal siam tura an lain pe lo nin an lain deal siam turin an lain pe lo aniang te in Marco Rubio hian soya hi chu Iran hian in an tuar zel do ni hei tu na po ni khat ni thum dili ngan ni ruk ni seri ni kwa ni som pakhat som pahni azonin US in han beta a ani telin US hi an china tel mai ni an bom na tel mai ni Iran nampang himo chu wan chuanin Iran hian in hetianga deal an siam pui ma chu an bom na zel don ni na langa ma se nga tinge Iran hian in United States hi deal siam pui an du anti chuanin deal siam pui an du tak chuang lo anga ma se khatianga deal siam pui kan du an han ti khan United States te hi hetianga kan han ril ani chuan ni tin a min be na te po hi min be ni tin lo deuh mai thei ti be sei te po khanin Iran hian tiang hian United States te po hi an dor ve po ni thei mo
Chief Foreign Correspondent Trey Yanks live in Tel Aviv with the very latest. Trey
langwal Trey tu nei lo somang
Yeah, hey guys, good morning. U.S. forces struck Iran for a 12th straight night. CENTCOM says these strikes were once again focused on degrading Iran's ability to threaten vessels in the Strait of Hormuz. CENTCOM said in a statement more than 50,000 U.S. service members are operating across the Middle East and remain highly...
CENTCOM 能帮助嘿地错ka an tam nge mai tu he ni Middle East he ni United States si pai mi si nga chuang an no me ka ni tin tu na United States na ala be reng na chan chu Iran ina Strait of Hormuz a longkal tlang te an lo be mai thei to lo na tur khan tin hianin ma ala la char ni an be rei to ni United States te hian an pon khop mai a bon thua chuan ma se thil pakhat ngai to na thi thei lo chu Iran te hianin ral thuam hin van lo nga om ti hian ni he ni som pani lai United States hian an be ngar to amaro chu Iran te hi an la hla om tho Strait of Hormuz a longkal te kap thei din huna an na ding ve reng tho khami kap thei din huna an ding ve reng kha United States lampang hian in ti to pan do ani tin mai hian an be ani kha fair de chuanin Iran hian ral thuam te hi an lo wa han nei nga ve ti hi he tianga United States in an be reng atang po hian in alang chiang ve reng mai
vigilant, focused, lethal, and ready. This follows a new warning from President Trump on Wednesday when he posted to Truth Social saying, from this point forward, anytime the Islamic Republic of Iran shoots at a ship in the Strait of Hormuz, whether it be by missile, rocket, drone, or any other device or weapon, the United States will bomb and destroy one bridge or power plant, including those located next to or in the capital city of Tehran. While
November... Trump warning here, Iran si pai te hian in Strait of Hormuz long pakhat an ka apiang in United States si pai te chuan in Irana lei emo power plant poimo tak teran khopui chung ani mo bul hnai ani emo Iran hian in long pakhat an be chuan in keini hian in lei pakhat emo power plant pakhat hi kanron be ve zel don tin Trump hian in warning a pe ni bon khop mai hi chu
vessels were attacked in the Strait overnight. A Saudi-owned oil tanker was targeted in the Red Sea by Houthi forces in Yemen. President Trump spoke yesterday from Georgia about the ongoing conflict and the possibility of negotiations.
They're getting hit so hard, and they want to make a deal. But I say they're not ready to make a deal. Because every time they make a deal, they want to change it and everything. They're not ready. They'll be ready very soon. And this is despite this, it's going on.
เขามีแค่ตัวดีลเสียมจงจ้างค่ะนี่จำเป็นต้องสวยเชียงเวียวIran hian in deal siam an do amaro zo deal siam tur hian la in pe lo an ril ru hi la in pe lo la che ve the United States la do ve the yang a hian in Iran te poi an in ngai po ni mai the ani chan chu US ne na deal an siam do na piang hian in Iran hian in ti kong song man hian an lo bo chele a hei hian in US thina tirima US in phuba ala le china chu wan so ni tu na hian in Iran hian in deal siam ang u ti mol ma se United States lampang hin deal hi an siam pui du chi lo ni na la so din thil pakhat ka sil du cheu chu hemi katar mi ta hi hemi hi hey karonti lan TNM opticals atanga kala ya thak hop me a frame te hi a quality thamo hi ke ni yang phone te laptop te khoi na sa hetiang phone laptop manga na thok na sa tan phe chon na tha blue light filter UV block day and night mo chuna ni san hoi sunglass anga lang ang chi kha ma se hei pangai chonin tarmit pangai lang lang chi kha thak hop mai ni TNM optical chan mari te hian hei thil chi sang sang quality thatak tak tarmit thatak tak an nei ani no door ve theu no ne hani hi chu ka ring khop mai an customer care te an service te a thae me ma door an no me mani
The Iranians have also released new statements over the past 24 hours, with the country's top negotiator, Mohammad Khalibaf, saying on X, if our security is not ensured, no infrastructure will be safe, and the security of the Strait lies in the absence of American forces. We have said many times that the situation in the Strait will not return to the way it was before the...
Kanram himna tur hi ti der thona o mani chuan Middle East infrastructure engma hi a himbik lawang tin Iran lampang hian in warning aron pe ve ni
war overnight Iran launched new attacks against US bases in Kuwait
Iran hian in phuba chu an la ve renga ni amaro chu Kuwait air defense system ten lo intercept le nual in karing
with additional attacks expected today. Here in Israel, the current assessment is the conflict will likely escalate in the days ahead. This country
to na changa ni le ro te ro kal tura hian in he indona tuna US le Iran indona bi khe chu abo ro khi asang zel doni a thalo zoi na kal chho zel doni ti hi Israel om te chuan Israel mi pui te chuan in an ngai da ni
country is bracing for the possibility of incoming Iranian missile fire.
Be sure to like.
Poi mo khop mai kha thil kha Israel lampang te po hianin Iran atanga missile ron kalhi an lo in ring ru ve de an lo be sei ru ve de wani om je bera chuanin indo na hi anasa chho zel don ni na langa hi Israel lampang te po nan thre chianga United States hianin an be zel don ti ka chiang an du an mu ma chu tu na chuanin it's like the point of no return an le thei to lawan thleng thui to lutuk tu da hianin US an be ngar ta US na Iran an be hi top san ringot ta se kha engi an be chan niang ti te po kha zona om theya engi an thil tu man ti hlo thlinga mi ti te po kha zona om theya chu wan chuan United States te hianin an du an ti hlo tin ma chu an be don ni na langa Iran hianin engi an in hro sak na sat le an tong hoi ang hu hian phuba hi an la nep ang reng khop mai ti hi he video atanga kan han react chua thei chu ani video le kan in mule theu don ne